Stocks in news: Atlanta, Ganesh CP, HUL, Power Grid, Shriram Finance, BEML, Vari. Stocks including Atlanta Electricals, Ganesh CP, HUL, Shriram Finance, BEML, Vari Energies, Alchem Labs, PGEL and more will be in the spotlight on Monday, 29 September. 1. Atlanta Electricals will make its stock market debut on Monday. The issue was overall subscribed a solid 70.63 times. 2. Ganesh Consumer Products, its stock market debut today, that is Monday, 29 September, which was overall subscribed only 2.67 times. 3. Power Grid Corporation of India, the company board has approved 2 new projects worth 705.5 crore rupees. Under the first project, worth 209.68 crore rupees, the company will implement a VoIP communication system for grid operation for all 5 regions. Under the second project, worth 495.83 crore rupees, it will implement disaster preparedness of transmission infrastructure. 4. Shriram Finance, investment of 300 crore rupees in its subsidiary, Shriram Overseas, by subscribing to a rights issue, with the objective of strengthening its capital base. 5. BEML, the state-run defense company has entered into a tripartite memorandum of understanding, MoU, with Bharat Forge and Data Patterns, India. They will support the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, AMCA, program and participate in the Expression of Interest, AOI, floated by the Aeronautical Development Agency, ADA. 6. Vari Energies, the solar energy solutions company has executed a definitive agreement for acquiring a 76% stake in Rasimosa Energy, India, for 53 crore rupees. 7. Alchem Laboratories, the pharma company has entered into a business transfer agreement with Alchem Wellness, effective 1st October. It will transfer the trade generics business as a going concern, on a slum sale basis, to its subsidiary, Alchem Wellness. 8. Oil India, the state-run oil marketing company has reported the occurrence of natural gas in its second exploratory well, Vijaypuram 2, LOC. OAEA, drilled in the offshore Andaman block. 9. Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers and Chemicals, the specialty chemicals company has resumed operations at its TDI2 plant in Dahej after the completion of necessary checks and remedial measures. The plant was shut down due to a gas leak. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.